Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Katanat Pulit jong jela kala Deptt ka Kaiphod sya katanat kampo yeng ka sarkar jela hakabe de ba ka jingkno Bamsap Thied kali da katanat Pulit Police Headquarter kabala penchayong lut yagi paj ba ka jela u Director General of Police ka jela u Dr. LR Bishnoi haka jingkran bikalat pathai kubur haka arfulai trek u nailur arajar arfuat ulai thu ba katanat kampo yeng jong ka sarkar jela kala pathai katanat Pulit man phai ka statement of allegations ringkat ba ka thup jongki kot kisla ki sakhi satar bat kiwi dia hakabai dei bat kania uloong ba ka sarkar kan sa shime kara heben pinchitom yegi bron khti onda kala deb bishar banya bin pa bin ya ka Kaiphod.
We have submitted a detailed report to the Home Department. Home Department has asked us to submit the statement of allegations along with the list of documents, witnesses, etc. So that is under process, and after that the government will decide for initiation of departmental proceeding as per the report. That not yet, it has not yet done. Probably the Home Department will decide the course of action after receipt of the statement of allegations and other documents from us.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.